Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to make your travel routine a breeze. The BAGSMART Travel Toiletry Bag. Whether you're heading out on a weekend getaway or a longer trip, keeping your toiletries and makeup organized can be tricky. But this bag might just be the solution you need. This travel bag measures 11.8 inches in length, 7.3 inches in width, and 8.73 inches in height. It's designed with 4 spacious compartments, perfect for storing all your essential travel toiletries and makeup products. The bag is made from ultra-light and soft Taslan fabric, giving it a luxurious feel, almost like cotton candy. It's a lightweight, functional organizer that blends comfort with style, making it a solid choice for anyone looking for both practicality and fashion on the go. The BAGSMART Travel Toiletry Bag features a unique wide-opening design, allowing easy access to all of your items. Its double-side full opening ensures that bottles and toiletries stand upright in the middle compartment, which helps avoid any leaks while you're in transit. You won't have to worry about your liquids spilling in your suitcase. Additionally, the bag includes a waterproof PVC fabric lining and a front zipper pocket to keep wet and dry items separate, making it easy to clean and maintain. In my experience using this bag, I found the setup process effortless. Simply open it up, and the compartments make it easy to sort your products. Whether it's skincare, makeup, or toiletries, the different sections ensure that everything has a designated space. I love that the bag kept everything upright, no more worrying about bottles tipping over. The material feels plush but durable, which is a nice touch for a travel bag. One thing to note, however, is that while it's soft and lightweight, the bag could be a bit larger if you tend to travel with larger items or extra toiletries. So, let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, the spacious compartments and easy access are huge wins for anyone who travels frequently. The soft Taslan fabric gives it a premium feel, and the waterproof features make it a breeze to clean. Plus, the dry and wet separation is a thoughtful touch, especially for those of us who tend to carry both makeup and skincare with us. On the flip side, the bag size might be limiting if you're someone who likes to travel with a lot of larger products. It's also not the most compact option, so if you're looking for something ultra-portable, this might not be the best fit. Now, when it comes to value for money, this bag strikes a decent balance. For the price, you're getting a bag that's both stylish and functional, with premium features like waterproofing and ample storage space. It's not the cheapest option out there, but given its build quality and thoughtful design, it offers a fair value for what you get. When comparing this bag to other travel organizers, it holds up quite well. While you might find more compact options or ones that are priced lower, the BAGSMART bag stands out for its structure and the ability to keep everything upright and organized. The soft, puffy feel also gives it a unique touch compared to more rigid toiletry bags on the market. The build quality is excellent, especially considering the soft fabric used. It feels sturdy and well made, and I'd expect it to hold up well over time, even with frequent use. However, if you're someone who throws their bags around or packs it full, you might want to be mindful of its structure. Though the material does seem durable, it's best handled with care. I didn't have any direct interactions with customer support, but BAGSMART has a strong reputation in the travel accessories space, and their products generally receive positive feedback from users. So, if you do run into an issue, you can likely expect responsive service. In terms of alternatives, there are certainly cheaper toiletry bags on the market, but the BAGSMART bag stands out for its thoughtful design and functional features, like the waterproof lining and upright storage. If you're looking for something a little more affordable, you might want to consider simpler options. But if you prioritize organization and durability, this bag offers good value. To sum it up, the BAGSMART Travel Toiletry Bag is a solid choice for travelers looking for a spacious, easy-to-use, and stylish way to organize their toiletries. Its standout features, like the wide opening, waterproof materials, and dry and wet separation, make it a practical option for both short and long trips. It may not be the largest option on the market, but it definitely gets the job done for most travelers. If you're looking for something compact and ultra-portable, you might want to explore other options. But for those who prioritize functionality, this bag is a great fit. Before you go, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any more reviews like this one. We're always sharing tips, tricks, and honest insights to help you make the best choices for your beauty and travel needs. Thank you so much for watching. If you already own this bag or have any thoughts, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what you think. Link to purchase this bag can be found in the comments box. Until next time, stay organized and travel smart with Beautyistic.